Hey friends, if you wish to fix HTTP error 431 on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to refresh the page, or rather, I'll give you a better option. If Chrome is open, just close it, search for it again, and open it again. The next one is to clear cache and cookies. So open Chrome, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, and click on history once again. Select delete browsing data, and then click on delete data. The next one is to remove problematic extensions on Chrome. So search for Chrome and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select manage extensions. Let us say we had some extension here. I don't keep extensions on my system, but let me assume that we had this extension here. So in this case, we will have to remove the extensions first. So try disabling it. If it helps, simply click on remove and then on remove once again. And the last solution is to try the incognito mode. Very easy. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select incognito mode, and then try and access the website once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.